In this video, I'm making 7 Christmas presents in under 10 minutes using pallet wood. Thanks for clicking play. Welcome to my bomb shelter basement workshop. It's that time of the year again where creative YouTubers like myself jump on the bandwagon and try to get some Christmas views. This is probably going to be my 3rd year doing them. In every video, I do try to challenge myself and make something new and interesting. But most importantly, I've saved a lot of money making gifts. That's what counts. Now, if you are new to the channel, I am not a professional woodworker. This is not a professional workshop, and this isn't going to be a perfect little how-to video. In my videos, I learn as I go along. Sometimes I have to bodge things, and I fail a lot of the time. But I always try to finish the video, that way you can learn from my mistakes and feel at least a little bit inspired. Now, if you're just here for a specific gift I made, I have done timestamps along the bottom, so you can skip to what you're looking for. And now that I've bored you to death, hit the stopwatch because we're going to start with a stackable wine stand. Here we go. At this point I realised that pallet wood wasn't wide enough, so I needed to stick some together. Present 1 complete, stackable wine stand. I stopped at 2 levels, you can make as many as you want. This next one is super simple. It is a Matchbox / tea light holder. Force and a bit, 40 millimeters. You can sand, stain, paint yours however you want. I don't have time in this video to do that, but this is a very nice, easy, quick Christmas gift you can make out of pallet wood. On to the next one. Next we're going to do a book stand, and I'm going to cheat a little bit. This thing is actually pallet wood. It was just a really massive pallet. If you don't have anything this wide, you could just stick 2 boards together like I did in the wine stand at the start of the video. This is the base piece. This has a 30-degree angle and then a 30-degree angle. This is the back piece. It has a 30-degree angle here and a 45-degree angle here. This is the middle piece. This has a 45-degree angle here and a 30-degree angle here. This is the front piece. It has a 30-degree angle here and a 30-degree angle here. It is complete. So that's it from that angle, and then you can look at it from that side. So you put this on your nightstand, and if you're reading a book, stick it on the page that you're reading, boom, sorted. Book just sits there waiting for the next night. And if you've got any sort of reading glasses or sunglasses, like a vampire, those go under there as well. And I added this little lip because you can also use it as a tablet stand. Multifunctional thing Christmas gift. Woo! On to the next one. The next one looks really easy, which are the curse words for making it go wrong. And this one goes with a book stand. It's a page separator book holder thingy. I don't know. That wasn't actually too far off on my first attempt. The hole, 30 millimeters, and then the wings, they're just a bit too flat, so I'm gonna grab some nicer wood and try and improve it. Another present complete. This one's very easy to do, much easier than I was expecting, and it works really well. Next I'm gonna do a phone stand coaster. Boom, complete. But technically this is cheating because I did one of these last year. But recently I've been experimenting with these, so we're gonna do an even better version. 40mm Forstner bit. 25mm Forstner bit. First circle is about 1, maybe 2 millimeters deep. The second circle is 3 millimeters deep. And here's all we're gonna do. Boom, bottle opener. Now it's complete. Phone stand, beer mat, bottle opener. That leads me on to the next present, which is a miniature version of this. That's the wrong way round. I also think it was a bit too low, so we're going to adjust this. And you need to put a scrap piece of wood behind it so it cuts all the way across.
My Christmas tree is shining bright. That's all I need for these darker nights.
Woo! Phone stand keyring thing. I've had a look online, you can get the metal bits cheap as chips on eBay and Amazon and all that. You can obviously sand it and make it look a lot nicer. This one's yeah, another nice little DIY stocking filler. I think I want one of these, but I'm gonna make it out of some slightly nicer wood. How cool is that? I was not expecting that to work at all. The length is 6 centimeters, the depth is 14 millimeters, and the actual cut is only 8 millimeters, and it still works. Well impressed. That's going straight on my keyring. Next we're doing a rockin' wine stand. I'm gonna cringe watching that back. No, it's actually like a rocking wine stand. So here's what we've ended up with, and they look horrible. I glued up the left and the right ones slightly differently. The ones on the left have the long piece on the tail, the ones on the right have the long piece on the end bit. And that's because when I layer up the wood, there's gonna be sections that are crossing over, which should give it strength. Now I've got to cut them all out. I'm gonna use the jigsaw. Hopefully they don't all fall to bits. This is the part where I could really mess this one up because I've never made one of these before, and like the floating wine bottle stand I did a couple of years ago, there's going to be a very specific angle that the bottle has to sit in. I don't know what that angle is, so if I get it wrong, this one's going to be a waste. Oh, that's that's not right.
So with a full bottle in, it's supposed to sit like that.
Technically, this one was already ruined, so I decided to have another go finding the perfect angle for the hole. That's even worse. So I guess that's 6 presents, not 7. I don't know what's going on with this. I feel like it should work. I want to figure this out. Oh, I finally got it to work. I put a flat spot at the bottom. I couldn't tell you why that makes it work. It looks ugly as hell, but I am counting that. That is another present in the bag. There we go, 7 Christmas presents made out of pallet wood in under 10 minutes, as long as I did the editing correctly. They weren't the prettiest ideas on the YouTube, but they worked. You know, a lot of them were quite easy, quite straightforward to do. Didn't have many hiccups, apart from the rocking wine stand at the end. But I think I will do a video on that in the future because I want to figure it out and I want to make a really, really nice one. I do have 2 other Christmas presents I'm working on, but they are like bigger projects. I'm not sure if I'll get those videos out before Christmas or at all, who knows. If you made it this far, thanks very much for watching. I hope this video was helpful in some way. If you do have any tips, questions or suggestions, stick them in the comments below. And if you could subscribe as well, that's always awesome. I think I put a button on the screen somewhere. Apart from that, yeah, have a great Christmas if I don't get another video out, and I'll see you in the next video. Said video twice there. I don't know. Merry Christmas.